Hey everybody, it's Shakara here again with another video, and today I'm going to be harvesting a cauliflower head from my garden, and I'm going to be making cauliflower cheese soup or cheesy cauliflower soup, however you want to say it. Anyway, let's go get the cauliflower out of the garden and then we'll get started. Today's the day. I'm going to harvest this today. I'm going to make some cauliflower cheddar soup. Here is just a few of the ingredients that you will be needing for the soup. You're going to need flour, milk, of course cauliflower, spices, broth, salt, and cheese, of course. I had 2 heads of cauliflower. One I had harvested weeks ago, and then this one I harvested today. So I'm going to combine these to make my medium-sized cauliflower head. Then I added 14 ounces of chicken broth to a pot, a chicken bouillon cube, and then 2 cups of onions. After letting the onions simmer for a while, I added the cauliflower that was broken up into florets. And then I just incorporated the cauliflower florets and covered them and let them cook until tender. I used 2 types of cheddar, applewood smoked cheddar and a regular kind of orange cheddar, hard cheddar that I got from the grocery store. I used my food processor to chop up the cheddar or grate it down because I did not have a cheese grater, but this worked just as well to break down the cheese. I melted 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan to start my bechamel sauce. And then once that was melted, I added 2 tablespoons of flour and used a whisk to just incorporate that into the butter. Be careful not to burn the butter or burn the sauce. Then I added 3 cups of whole milk and added that in and make sure that it was mixed in with the whisk, and make sure you don't burn the milk to curdle it. And then I added 2 cups of the cheddar cheese. This is a mix of the smoked cheddar and the regular cheddar. Again, you're gonna use a whisk to make sure that it's incorporated well. You don't want the fire too high, but then at some point you want it to thicken up. As you can see, the sauce is thickening up as I continuously stir. You got to continuously stir. Then I added some spices, 1 teaspoon of sea salt here. I added 1/8 of a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne, and then I added 1/8 of a teaspoon of white pepper. Added the spices in. As you can see, the cheese has incorporated really well here. The fire has been turned down, so it's on low heat, and I'm just adding the spices in. Then you pour the cheese sauce into the vegetables. As you can see in my pan, the smoked cheese didn't really incorporate very well, and I got little granules, but I tried to break them up a little bit with the whisk inside the pot here, as you can see. Then you turn it up, the heat up, and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. You guys, it smells so good. I cannot wait to eat it. It smells so good. And here it is, this delicious cheddar cauliflower soup. Alright, so there's one more thing I have to do, and that is taste it. Please excuse my central heating. It's loud in here. So anyway, here we go. Let's dive in. I did add a little cream cheese at the end because it was a little too watery for me. So I just wanted to thicken it up a little bit more with another cheese. So, and you know, cream cheese is pretty mild, so it won't change the flavor profile too much. So here we go. Here we go. Oh my God, that's so good. That's so good. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna link the recipe for this soup in the description box. I did get it off. I just Googled the recipe, so I'll put the link to where I Googled it from. And yeah, I didn't add, I added some parsley flakes at the end as well. That is part of the recipe as well. So anyway, bon appetit. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this and other random videos that I do on my channel. Anyway, I will see you in the next video. I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are. And until then, take care.